How to pay Jcpenney credit card bill online. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can process a payment for your Jcpenney credit card bill online. So the very first thing that you want to have to do, keep in mind that you should be able to do this whole process for both application or via the web version of Jcpenney credit card. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is access the portal by going into the Jcpenney credit card site, which is going to be this one right here. Click on account for you to be able to log in. And then once you have successfully logged in using your user ID and password, select the make a payment option in your account dashboard. And then once you've done that, just simply input the details of the payment amount, the date, and as well as your bank account information. Now hit on confirm, but before doing that, make sure to review and submit the payment. Now, the other thing that you can do as well is to make a payment for logging in without an account. So if you're currently under the login field like this, you can go ahead and pay as guest. You just need to make sure that the details you're entering from here, if you're logging in as a guest or making a payment as guest, is accurate. And that's it. That's how you pay GCPenney credit card bill online.